Hello everyone, we are here in Pune at CLOOS India Welding Private Technology and CLOOS has launched a new experience center. We have with us Mr. Sumon Mitra, who is the CEO of CLOOS India. So sir, can you tell me what new capabilities and features does this new experience center has?
First of all, thank you very much for joining us on this very special day. The main purpose of this new facility is basically there, as you can see. We have two very high-end 7-axis robot with additional tracks, additional manipulators, tandem welding technology, single welding with automatic tool changing, as well as aluminum welding with a lot of special curves according to the need of the industry. So this entire facility, together with automotive system, one more robotic system is there, cobot system is there, and entire manual machine or process. So this is the main motto of for this new facility. Together with our entire office, as you can see, this separate design department means we are now more and more dependent in not dependent on Germany. We are having our own designing center here. We are having our own R&D center. Service was always there, but we are expanding the providing way of service. More centers will come also in India, and we have our own spare parts also under single roof. So if you want to summarize, then it's sales, design, R&D, service, spare management, finance and logistic, all under single roof. So that was the motto, means we are single source solution provider for welding industry. So in the same way, you can consider that the reason for this facility was to provide also a single source or single roof solution as a team to provide to the Indian industry.
And sir, how is this experience center at par with the centers that are across the CLOOS subsidiaries?
Like I mentioned, that CLOOS, if you want to say how it at par, so we have to know what is our benchmark to be at par or to really compare as at par. Our benchmark is always welding processes. So now, for say CLOOS in MIG-MAG having more than 18 processes, only MIG-MAG, TIG. Now in replace of TIG for higher productivity, we have AC MIG. So these are the key, you can say. So in terms of facility, I can say we have now all the process to demonstrate here in this facility. So now coming to your question, so in terms of any other subsidiary of CLOOS or CLOOS headquarter itself, beside the production capability, if CLOOS headquarter having a certain amount of process to show, CLOOS India as a subsidiary also today having the same. So we are fulfilled to submit any kind of demonstration or do any kind of demonstration with full-fledged capacity of CLOOS.
So CLOOS India also won the best subsidiary of the CLOOS Group. So can you tell what difference did you do?
This was always, I mean, this is really a surprise for me also. Even Stephen Peter, who is our group managing director, we are definitely very happy that he is here and spending almost a week with us. But he never told me about this. So this is the first time, because in terms of CLOOS Group, CLOOS India was always there for last 15-20 years, but the volume of business, the response or the market vibration or customer demand, as you can see, even the customer today was very happy and explaining about our quality and service. So similar feedback also reached to our headquarters, that according to our order intake, but also more important for me is not only order, execution, and how finally our customer is happy placing order to us. Placing or getting the fast order is one topic, but getting repeated order to a customer for 20 years, that's called something you have to go through lots of wave because all the path cannot be similar. But we faced the challenge and we executed finally what we committed. And that is the trust we gained from the market. Result is order. And headquarters is very happy with the performance. And we are awarded as the best subsidiary of CLOOS Group.